Understanding the phrase, "Don't have a cow." Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore a fun and interesting English phrase, "Don't have a cow." This expression might sound strange at first, especially if you're learning English as a second language. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in conversation. Let's dive in. The phrase, "Don't have a cow," is a colloquial expression used to tell someone to calm down or not to overreact to a situation. It's similar to other expressions like, "chill out," or "don't worry about it." The origins of this phrase are a bit unclear, but it has been a part of English slang for several decades. It became particularly popular through television shows and pop culture, making it a recognizable phrase even to those who might not use it regularly. "Don't have a cow" is best used in informal situations among friends or family. It's a light-hearted way to address someone's worries or frustrations. However, it's important to use it carefully, as it might be seen as dismissive or insensitive if someone is genuinely upset or if the situation is serious. Here's an example of how to use it. Friend 1, "I can't believe I forgot to bring the tickets." Friend 2, "Don't have a cow, we can buy them at the door." This shows how the phrase can be used to diffuse a potentially stressful situation with a bit of humor. Understanding the cultural context of idiomatic expressions like, "don't have a cow," is crucial for English language learners. This phrase is a part of American English slang and is more commonly used in the United States. While it's recognized in other English-speaking countries, it might not be used as frequently. Being aware of these cultural nuances is essential when learning and using English idioms and slang. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, "don't have a cow." Idiomatic expressions like this one add color and personality to the language, making English vibrant and dynamic. Remember, learning a new language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about embracing the cultural quirks that make it unique. Keep practicing, and don't have a cow about making mistakes. They're all part of the learning process. See you in the next video.